Alright, you guys, here we go. HASNT TV again, coming at you. I actually came out to fish in the kayak, but as you can see, it's been raining. It was raining all night last night, and then today got overcast, high winds, and it's crazy out here. So I chose not to come out. I brought the kayak just to see, but I'm not gonna put the kayak in the water. It's choppy as hell. I'm not even gonna go attempt it. So I'm just gonna come out here and do some bank fishing today. So I'm not gonna make it a total loss for the day. I'm gonna try the construction site again with my kids, do a little bank fishing and see what happens. Alright, so stay tuned. We're gonna try to see what we can do. Alright? Stay tuned. HASNT TV starts right now. Let me see. Let me see. There you go. My son caught his first one. There you go. Nice.
It stuck right under the nail, too.
Let me see. As soon as I decide to throw it, the wind starts. First one. Got the first one. There we go. There we go. We got the first one. Yes, sir. Jeez whiz, man. Fine. Huh? Oh, there's some big fish in here. Oh yeah. Oh, first little one. There we go. Little bloody, but she'll be alright. Somebody caught her before, ripped her lip up. No, that wasn't me. But she's a little healthy. Let's go. Oh, first one. Let's see what happens. Got the first one. I caught one. My youngest son caught one. So let's see if this sun brings him out. Got another one. Nice one. Yo. Yo. It came off over here. All right. Woo, she was lit. I just swung her real quick. She's a little dirty. But that's number two. Number two. Sitting here bank fishing. Man. Nice old girl. You know what I mean? Another about 13. Almost 14 inches. Beautiful. Starting to feed up, starting to get fat. All right. It's a beautiful, nice little fish again. You know what I mean? Nice, beautiful little fish. Let's get this release. All right, swim right off. That's number 2. The change of weight, man. The change of weight. I went from a 3/16 to probably a 1/4 ounce. I don't know. I forgot what size these are. It's been so long I haven't used them. This is what I'm using right here. Like I always tell y'all, this is a Zoom Z drop with a chartreuse tail, Texas rig. I have it pegged with a bobber stopper, little 1/0 2/0 hook. That's it. 8-pound mono, suffix mono. That's how I have it rigged. That's it. Nothing special, nothing over the edge. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm gonna go change spots real quick. Got another one. Yo! Nice one. Oh, 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 oh. Wash her off real quick. Look at that. Alright, chill out. There we go. Another nice one. Something hit her though. Something big hit, probably snakehead when she was younger. But got a nice one. This one's about 15 inches. Damn, she got her gill. Somebody tore her gill up. Look at that. She got her gill out. Still survived though. One of her gills cut off. She's still surviving. I'll tell you that much. She eating. Gill hanging out. That's not cool. But hey, as long as she's alive, that's what counts. That is what counts. Alright, we're gonna get this little release on this girl. Alright, baby. Go ahead. There we go. Good release. Swimming off. Perfect. That's number 3. Alright, now I can take this off. I'm gonna fish here for a little bit. Alright. See if we can get another one over here. See if we can get another one. Yep, this worm has had it. I'm out here with plastic bag. Forgot my damn. Come on, dude. I forgot my damn book bag. I mean, if you guys want to see what I'm using, this is Salt Plus Z Drop. The color is green weenie. Green weenie is the color. But this is the color I've been using for a long time. It works really good. As you can see, I've caught all 3 of my fish on it. So I'm going to continue to use it. But as you can see, I'm gonna try to show you guys. I put it through there. This is how I text this rig. I put it through there. I turn it to where the hook keep is at. Then I just go through. And there you go, like that. But I dye the tail, which I'm gonna do right now. I dye that tail. I don't know what it is. I've been doing that since I've been a young kid, dyeing the tail. I used to buy the little container with it, but that container, for some reason, that container just loves to leak. And the last one I bought leaked all over the place. So I chose to just buy the pen, and the pen is working perfect for me. Amazon sells a 5-color set for like $10, if that. And you know, since I work for Amazon, I get a 10% discount. So on all my orders, so it comes out a little cheaper for me. As long as it's sold by Amazon, I get a 10% discount. If it's a third party, then I don't get jack. But still the same thing. I still shop at Amazon, work at Amazon. Beautiful thing. I got another one. Next cast. Look at that. My Z drop. Next cast, bro. Yo, come get one of these Z drops. Next cast, baby.
It's probably stuff with the yellow.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that all for y'all. That's a beautiful thing right there. Very next cast after I just talked to you guys and let you guys know what I was using. Very next cast. It looks like the same fish I caught earlier. I showed you guys a fish that had the lip tore up, and this looks like the very same fish. Another like 12 inches. Yeah, this looks like the same fish. Man, I moved to a different spot and catch the same fish. But it still counts as another fish. All right, she's bleeding, but I don't know why, because I caught her on the lip. Get a little release on her. Thank you, baby. Appreciate you. I caught that fish already. That was the first fish I caught of the day. Another one. Oh, nice one. This is a big one. Get over here. Get over here. That sun came out, they turning on. You heard? The sun came out, now they're starting to feed. Yes, sir. They're getting bigger and bigger now, baby. Here we go. Clean her off real quick. Look at that. Oh, beautiful spots on her. Beautiful spots on her. She is feeding up that big belly. Woo! This is about 15, almost 16 inches. Beautiful. Fat. Look, my son got, look. Nice one too. Look, doubled up, baby. Come on this way. Come this way. Let her go out. Come this way. Doubled up. Slow. Work. All right. We doubled up, baby. Look at that. Woo! 2 fatties. Look at that, baby. That's 2 fatties right there. Take that hook out. Woo! Look, you only had a skin hook. Look at the bellies on these things, bro. This is unbelievable how fat these things are. My son's is fatter. Look at that. Twins. Brian's is a little fatter though. Mine's a little longer. Brian's is a little fatter. Woo! Look at that, twins. That's all right. That's all right. Look at that. Oh, man. There, and then put the rest back on. That is beautiful. Look at that double release, baby. Jump out of the water. Yeah. Uh-oh, he got another one. Back up. Come to this side. Another nice one, too. Come to this side. He got another one while I'm getting mine ready. All right, slow down. Let her work. There you go. Look at that. She peeing. He peeing.
She's scared.
Look at that. Another, oh, nice spot on her too. Nice spot. Pretty fish, 13, 14 inches. Almost 2 pounds. Throw it back. There you go. There she goes.
Probably a thump. That's probably nothing. That's probably little fish. And then when I really did, it got it. And I was like, you ain't going nowhere. I've been anxious to catch one. Oh, he got one.
Oh, that's a big one. Holy crap. Holy crap. Well, what he catch it with?
The Z-drop.
Ooh, slow. Let it.
Oh my God.
There you go. Oh, leave it, Danny. All right. Yeah, that's the biggest one of the day.
Good job.
Back up. What? It's gonna break your fucking line.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Yep. Look at that. That's a big one.
Good job.
Holy crap. Look at this my son just caught. Woo! That's like 18, 19 inches.
That's probably like 2
She's a little bit
right?
skinny, but she's starting to eat though. Like 3 and a half.
I'm going back with the Z-drop.
Woo! That's a big one.
Papa, I need a new one.
Look at that.
Put it up.
As big as his chest. Look at this. As big as his chest. Look at that. That thing nice. As big as his chest. Woo! Yeah, all right, throw it back. Hold it up and throw it back. Hold it up so you can see how big it is. Get it on camera right quick. Come on. Hold it up 2 ways. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Alright, throw it back.
I think they're starting to come back now.
Nice. Yeah, right when my stuff breaks. My biggest bass here is 8 pounds, 10 ounces. I got one. Ooh, I got the biggest one of the day. Move your line. Nah, Brian's might be a little bit bigger. Yeah. Wow. Oh, it's still big, boy. What are you talking about? Yeah. Just, oh, whoa, whoa. Watch your back. Ah. Vines was bigger. Vines was bigger. Vines was bigger. Just a little bit. Just by a little bit, though. Nah, Vines was way bigger. Vines was way big.
You know what's funny?
My pliers. Never mind. Look at that. That's number 6 for me. Another chubster. Number 6. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have 5 and you have 6.
Yeah. That's another chubster. Let's go. Yes, sir. Number 6. Thank you, baby. Appreciate you. All right, my people. As you can see, it's a couple days later, but as you can see on this video, I took my kids out with me. I was supposed to go on a kayak. The weather was terrible, so I decided to stay bank fishing. I didn't want to just come home and just spoil the day for my kids, so decided to stay bank fishing. And we had a freaking awesome day. It started off slow, but as that sun came up, woo, we had a great time. Caught some very nice fish, and all in all, a good day. You know, I haven't been posting up videos like I'm supposed to in the past couple weeks. You know, I don't know if any of you go. I haven't let nobody know what's going on, but my daughter needs oral surgery, so we've been going back and forth with doctors and stuff like that. Set a surgery date for this month on the 28th. You know, I've gone through surgeries with my kids before, like my youngest son had open heart surgery when he was 2 and stuff like that. So I've gone through this stuff before, but it's still, you know, it's still freaking scary because when a 2-year-old kid gets put under anesthesia, anything can happen. My daughter's 2, she's going under anesthesia to get oral surgery, so, you know, I'm a little worried, but I know I leave everything in God's hands and everything's going to be all right, you know, fingers crossed. And, you know, but all in all, we had a good day. I just wanted to let you guys know that. And to the contest gift card winners, you know, I haven't sent them out because of the situation with my daughter, but this Friday I will be sending you guys that without a doubt. Also, I'm thinking about getting a new rig a couple weeks. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, what kind of kayak it is. I want to let you guys know it's not the kayak that I really want, because that one is like, I'm gonna get that one like a year or 2 away. You know, I just don't have the money like that to just automatically spend, you know, $2,000-3,000. But I'm getting another one just to get something, a step up from the Tamarack. So stay tuned for that. In a couple weeks I'll be putting that video up. In a couple more days I'll be putting up, Saturday I'll be putting up another video. Went to a new lake and the fishing was freaking awesome. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you like the videos, please give them a thumbs up. It freaking helps out the channel very much. And to all the subscribers and my followers on FishBrain, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Keep supporting the channel. And I'm going to leave you on that note. As always, no matter what fish on, no matter what life throws at you, leave the negativity behind you and keep pushing forward. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Peace.